Hello, this is Stephanie from Design and Sign Company, and I wanted to show you a quick tutorial on this fun new template that I have out. Um, I'm going to take this picture of this basketball player and put it into the template and customize it for you so that you can see how it's done. I like to start out with the Move tool over here, selecting my layer that I want to replace, which is the sample image, and you can just go ahead and delete that, drag it, just click and drag it down into the trash can. So then you're all set up for your new template or your new image to come in here. So you go ahead and go to your image that you want to put in, and I've already extracted the background out of this image. So I'm just going to Command A to select all, and then Command C to copy, and then I'm going to go back over to my template, selecting this layer right here, and I'm just going to go Command V to paste it in there. So I need to do some adjustments on this. I want to make him bigger, so I'm going to Command T and just pull this down till he's where I want him to be. And I've got a volleyball down here and I want a basketball. So I went ahead and clicked on that layer down there. And as you can see, it's not clicking the right thing. So what I need to do, it's clicking other layers that are in front of that. So instead, I'm just going to go down under my sports elements and I'm going to click off the volleyball. There's the eyeball here that makes it visible or invisible. And I'm going to click on not the football, but the basketball. If you want it there. If you don't, you just uncheck them all and leave it like that. So I'm going to leave the basketball there. And then another thing we need to do on this is change the blue to orange. So I'm going to double click on this color layer right here. And what I usually like to do is just target an area in their jersey and get a general idea of what color I want, and then I go ahead and tweak it. Looks a little red to me, so I'm going to slide it up into the orange. And that looks okay. Maybe not great. Let's go with a little bit brighter orange. And I am going to also slide the basketball up. I changed my mind. Okay, so there it is, just like that. And what I need to do is change all this text back here because it needs to be Beloit Trojans. So I'm going to go ahead and come down to the team name Smart Object and click on that little arrow right there. This is a group. And I'm going to click on the arrow to expand the group, and you can see all those layers in there for the text. But the only one you need to worry about is this one right here. And I'm not going to click on this. I'm not going to click on the lettering. I'm going to click on this right here. Double click, and so it brings up your text right there. And so I'm going to select all my text, and I'm going to go Beloit Trojans. Uh-oh, it's not going to fit. So what I want to do is just go up here to the text tool up here under the and horizontally scale it. So I'm just going to click my down arrow until it fits in that box. Super, super easy. And then you just exit out of that. Do you want to save it? Yes, you're changing a smart object, so it's going to change all the rest of that text for you. It's been set up to do that. So I'm just going to click save. And then when you go back to your other template or your template, then it's all changed for you. So pretty cool. So I'm going to go ahead and change that, and just by selecting the text tool and selecting it all and change it to his number. And I can change his name just the same way. Let's go Brent, and then let's go Harrow. And that is it. Thank you.